questions 1 through 10 on the 2007 grade 11 Fermat Math contest. The value of 36 minus 12 over 12 minus 4 is 36 minus 12 over 12 minus 4. 36 minus 12 is 24. 12 minus 4 is 8. And therefore, 24 divided by 8 is 3. So number 1, the answer is E. If 7x is equal to 28 and x plus w is equal to 9, what is the value of x times w? 7x is 28, so therefore x is equal to 4. X plus w is equal to 9, and therefore 4 plus w is equal to 9. So just substitute the value of 4 for x, and therefore w is equal to 5. So finally, x times w will be 4 times 5, and that is equal to 20. So number 2, the answer is B. Of the fractions 3 over 4, 7 over 8, 13 over 16, and 1 over 2, what is the difference between the largest and the smallest? So what I like to do, what I've always done, is convert fractions to decimals. It just makes it easier for me to compare them. So 3 over 4 is 0.75. 7 over 8 is 0.875. 13 over 16 is 0.8125. And 1 over 2, of course, is 0.5. So first and foremost, what is the largest one? It looks like it's this one here. So this is the largest, L for largest. And the smallest is this one right here. So that's the smallest. So we have to take the difference, right? So we have to subtract them. So basically 7 over 8 minus a half. And this looks like 7 over 8. Get a common denominator, 4 over 8. And that is 3 over 8. So number 3, the answer is A. When x is negative 5, the value of minus 2x squared plus 5 over x is minus 2 negative 5 squared plus 5 over negative 5. So negative 2 times negative 5 squared is 25. 5 over negative 5 is just negative 1. So we've got negative 2 times 25, which is minus 50, minus 1, and that is minus 51. So number 4, the answer is C. What is the value of 1 to the power of negative 2 plus 2 to the power of negative 1? 1 to the power of negative 2 plus 2 to the power of negative 1. So 1 to the power of negative 2 becomes 1 over 1 to the power of 2. 2 to the power of negative 1 becomes 1 over 2 to the power of 1. So this first term is just 1. Second term is just a half. So 1 plus a half is 3 over 2. So 5, the answer is A. In the diagram, the area of rectangle ABCD is 40. The area of MBCN is. So I'll label this width, and the length they've already given us is 8. So length times width is the area, and they tell us that it's 40. So the length we are given is 8 from the diagram. So 8 times W is 40. So therefore W is 5. So that's the first piece of information that we need. Then what I'm going to do is draw a line from N to the top like that, perpendicular. And that will allow me to break this shaded region up into 2 sections, and each of them I can solve in terms of the area. So first, let's just do this rectangle. That is length times width. The length is 5 from there to there, and the width is just this guy, which is 2. And then I have to add to that this triangle, and that area is 1/2 base times height. Well, the base is from there to there. From here to here is 4. From here to here is 2. So this is 2. So that's the base, and then the height is from top to bottom, which is 5. So this is 10 plus 5, and that is 15. So number 6, the area of MBCN is 15, and that is choice A. The product of 3 positive integers is 42. The sum of 2 of these integers is 9. The third integer is. Let's say those integers are A, B, and C. And if you multiply them, it's 42. And then they tell us that 2 of them, A plus B, if you add them, the sum is 9. So how do we approach this? Well, A times B times C, best thing to do is break up 42 into its prime factors. So I believe that's 2 times 3 times 7. So if I look over here, A plus B is 9. If I made A equal to 2 and B equal to 7, that would work because 2 plus 7 is 9. And therefore C must be 3. And that pretty much is what they want. They just want you to figure out that third integer, which is C, and therefore it's equal to 3. So number 7, the answer is D. Ivan trained for a cross-country meet, that is running. On Monday, he ran a certain distance. Tuesday, he ran twice as far as he ran on Monday. Wednesday, he ran half as far as he ran on Tuesday. Thursday, he ran half as far as he ran on Wednesday. And Friday, he ran twice as far as he ran on Thursday. If the shortest distance that he ran on any of these 5 days is 5 kilometers, how far did he run in total? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Monday, he ran a certain distance. Let's call that X. Tuesday, he ran twice as far, so 2X. Wednesday, he ran half as far as the previous day, so that's X. Thursday, he ran half as far as the previous day, so X over 2. And finally, Friday, he ran twice as far as the previous day, so now we're back to X. So the total is what we have to figure out. So this looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5.5X. Now, of course, we would have to figure out the value of X. Well, they tell me that the shortest distance that he ran on any of these 5 days is 5. The shortest distance is this guy, X over 2. So they basically have told us that X over 2 is equal to 5. So that means X is equal to 10. So 5.5X is 5.5 times 10, and that is 55. So number 8, the answer is A. If 1 over x plus 3 is equal to 2, then what is the value of 1 over x plus 5? So first we have to solve for x. So this is going to be cross-multiplying 2x plus 6. And therefore 2x is equal to negative 5. And therefore x is equal to negative 5 over 2. Now we have to substitute that value of x back into this one, 1 over x plus 5. So we've got 1 over minus 5 over 2 plus 5. And get a common denominator, multiply top and bottom by 2. So we got 1 over minus 5 plus 10 over 2. So that would be 1 over 5 over 2. Invert and multiply, and you get 2 over 5. So number 9, the answer is C. A store normally sells each of its DVDs for $20. At a sale, Phyllis buys 2 DVDs at a regular price and gets a third DVD for half price. This is the same rate of discount as getting. Let's first figure out how much she pays. 2 at regular price, and then the third at half price. So she pays a total of $50 for 3. So it looks like on average it's about $16.67 per CD, or DVD rather. So we have to figure out which one of these is equivalent. Well, without going through every single one, I quickly realized that if you multiply this by 2, you get $100 for 6. And that basically means that that is 6 DVDs for the price of, well, it's $100, which is 5 DVDs. And that is equivalent to answer choice E.